We are the nation's leading supplier in replacement bumpers, fenders, and tailgates online. If you're looking for a bumper, fender, or tailgate, you can rest assured that you can find it here at MBI Auto. We offer unpainted parts for your car or truck so that you can take them to your local body shop and have them painted. Or we also offer a painted parts solution. We'll paint the part to match your vehicle. You provide us with a paint code. We guarantee 100% paint match. We have a state-of-the-art painting process which ensures consistent quality at an excellent price. Once we receive your order, we're able to paint it and ship it out the door with a perfect color match within 3 to 5 business days. We guarantee our color match for all of our bumpers, fenders, and tailgates. If you have any issues, we will stand behind our product 100%.
Customer service is our main priority. We want happy and satisfied customers. We know how hard it can be to purchase a part for your vehicle online. It can even be intimidating. So we are always willing to help you answer any questions to help you buy the correct part.
So we mostly sell all of our parts on eBay and Amazon at the moment, as they're pretty big markets that everyone's familiar with. We do have our own website as well that will ask you the questions that you need to know about your vehicle. We've gone through and we know what we need to ask you so that you get the right part delivered to your doorstep.
We're not just an online company. Well, we have real human beings. We have our customer service here in the US, and we pride ourselves on making sure the customer's questions and concerns are answered before purchase. And if there are any issues after the purchase, we stand behind our products 100%. Customer satisfaction has and always will be our #1 goal.
MBI Auto has grown exponentially, basically by the word of mouth of our satisfied customers, and I do think that speaks volumes for the type of company that we are. Being an online company, majority of all of our interaction is via email. However, we are real people, and if you do need any further assistance, we're just a phone call away.
Our team is a very diverse team. We are very family oriented. It is a very warm feeling, and we do try to extend that feeling to all of our customers that we help every day.
We want to do our best to make sure that you have your vehicle back on the road in the cheapest way possible to save you some money.
Our team of people have gained valuable experience over the last 8 years. This valuable experience can only be gained by the amount of volume that we ship. We draw on that to create streamlined process. These streamlined processes ensure that you're going to get a quality part, that it's going to be at the best price possible, and that it's going to be delivered as fast as possible to your door without any issues.
We hope to do business with you soon, and we'll be happy to answer any questions throughout the purchasing process.